As far as the interrogation, the questioning of Karishma Prakash, Deepika Padukone's manager, is concerned, remember, she has been spoken to today, and we're picking up the questions that the agency wants to know the answers to. Of course, it begins with setting up her use of WhatsApp, the numbers that she's using for WhatsApp and for how long. Remember, the chat that has come under the scanner is from 2017, so of course it will be ascertained if she was using the same number in 2017 as well. How did she join Kwon, the talent management company? What is her role there? How well and in what capacity she knows Deepika Padukone? What are her income sources, if there are multiple sources or just one? And of course, the main focus will be on to explain the chat from 2017, where of course Deepika Padukone is on record to ask for quote-unquote mal, which she explains to be hash, not weed. And Karishma, her manager, actually is in even bigger trouble because during this chat she mentions that she has some at home. Now, what is your business keeping contraband drugs at home is actually a very big question. Even as we continue to get you more on the overall role of Kwon managers, let's first go across to my colleague Atul, who's joining us with more of the line of questioning that Karishma Prakash is facing from the NCB. Bottom line is, Karishma Prakash, Atul has to explain her chat with Deepika Padukone from 2017. What does it mean by mal? Why does she have hash or weed or any other drug at her home? That in fact invites much stringent charges.
Well, the questioning of NCB with Karishma Prakash, the manager of Deepika Padukone, is going on. The NCB has asked more than 50 questions to Karishma, and we have accessed a few of them. The NCB is asking them to explain the explain about the screenshot, the chat of 2017. Was she using the same cell phone number? Is she is on the same WhatsApp number? Or if yes, had she been active in that particular group where someone is asking about the mal? What is this mal? Is mal related to weed or some contraband or some heroin, drugs, etc. or not? She will have to give it in writing. What is the mal? Second thing is that whatever it is, whatever she will say that the mal is particular things, she will have to write down who was made the payment and what was the process. What was the mode of the payment? Remember, she is writing down each and everything because the NCB officials has, told her very clearly that whatever she is going to tell to the NCB officials, she will have to write down each and everything. And that is the reason the NCB officials is taking every step very, securely, because they know that she is, directly connecting with Deepika Padukone, and on the basis of her questioning, Deepika Padukone will be confronted. This all the questions in which the name of Deepika Padukone has also been cropped up. The NCB officials have also asked, how do you know Deepika Padukone? Who was the person who helped you in getting a job in the farm of Deepika Padukone? So NCB is not only exploring the chat, the mall, and the process of the drug peddling, but also they just want to know who are the other person who are working behind the curtain, so that in a coming future they could also be confronted with Karishma and with Deepika as well. And as of now, Karishma has not been arrested. There are possibilities that she will be called to join the investigation tomorrow again, because when Deepika will come over here to join the investigation, Deepika will be confronted with Karishma. The NCB official will give a copy of
now,
the statement
in those chats,
of
Atul, it is quite clear that Deepika is asking for drugs and she's specifying what she wants. And very importantly, the agency is asking Karishma to explain what really happened as far as this exchange is concerned. Did someone pay for these drugs? Who paid for these drugs then? And how were they procured in the first place? Because that really talks about the nexus. People who pay, of course, for drugs to procure them from you, or what you the transaction that you indulge in to buy drugs in the first place, all of that really goes against you, isn't it? And this is where Deepika Padukone herself could land into trouble.
Well, definitely whenever Karisma will answer this kind of question to NCB that this mal related to particular things, weed or be it the contraband, she is accepting that they were in the process of buying the contraband which is illegal in the law, and who was making payment to Karisma, whosoever was making payment to Karisma, be it Deepika or someone or on her behalf, they will also be made an accused by the NCB officer. Today when she was joining the probe, she was very hopeless. She knew that she is going to face heat of the questions because the NCB had prepared a list of questions, because they have gone through all the documents. What they are doing, they only have to confirm it. Either you are confirming it or denying it. If you are denying it, we will call the other guys and he will accept. Then it will go against you. So the person will have to accept it that yes, this was my chat and I arranged mal. And what is the mal? It is yet to be discovered. As of now, we are only told by the sources that this mal is drugs.